Investing in the stock market doesn't have to be difficult, and that's why I made this account on public.com. I wanted to show my friends, family, and even you guys how to invest, and that's why I started putting $300 into this account every single month. The only issue, I kind of stopped. What's up, you guys? It's Dsouza. I hope you all are having a great day. In this video, I'll be going over my stock account so far, the holdings, how much I'm making dividends, and what I plan on doing with this account moving forward. Going back to when I first made it, I put in $1,000, and it shows as $1,008 only because public.com gives away free stock fractional shares, meaning a portion of a free stock. So if that's something you're interested in and you want to sign up, I'll leave a link down below in the description, but you don't have to use my link. If you do, then we will both get a fractional share. So as you can see, I started this account May 2021, and I didn't deposit anything for a while up until July, where I put in my first $300. And from then on, I decided to put $300 up until March of 2022. That's when I stopped. And the last time that I actually purchased shares with that money is in April, right around here. So after I made that deposit and made that purchase in April, I didn't do anything with this account. And as you can see from the progress, it says all time here, it's been down 17.18%, or $637.88, which is quite a lot of money. But down here, you can see that my cash balance is $168.09. And the reason why I have that money is because of the dividend stocks that have been paying me each month. Some are quarterly and some are monthly, but overall, these stocks have been paying out around $18 on average into this account. So even though I haven't added any additional funds of $300 or more into the account, I still have this money that I can use to either buy stocks or cash out, put into my bank account, put into other investments, pay bills, you name it. Now that I covered those details, let's go over the stocks that I hold in this account. So if you look here, you can see that I have Apple, O, Jeppy, VU, SPY, STAG, RYLD, PDI, QYLD, Nusi, Google, and Amazon. And a lot of these are actually dividend paying stocks, which has increased my account by the cash that you saw earlier. Overall, the monthly dividend paying stocks that I have in this account are O, Jeppy, STAG, RYLD, PDI, QYLD, and Nusi. So what is my plan moving forward? Overall, I want to start this account back up and start depositing $300 again every single month and just see how it grows over time. And I do want to still figure out if I want to do a mixture of dividend stocks with growth stocks. But anyways, guys, this was just a quick, brief video on my stock portfolio that I started way back in May 2021 till now. And as you can see, it's still going, but unfortunately, the market has taken that hit and we are down. But the lucky thing is that we have those dividend stocks to make up money over time. And hopefully the market will recover, which will then lead us back into profit. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe. And also, please hit that notification bell. And on that note, I will see you all in the next video.